Hi, I am Abul Kalam here. From this video onwards, we will be learning ratio and proportion in PowerPoint. Okay, this PowerPoint will be helping you lot. First question: ratio and proportion. Okay, an employer reduces the number of his employees in the ratio 9:8 and increases the wages in the ratio 14:15. If the original wage bill was rupees 18,900, the ratio in which the wage bill is decreased is, okay. How to do this question? When you observe this question, what you can understand is the first line it talks about some wages reduction, okay, number of employees reduction, and the second line it speaks about increase in their wages, right? So what I suggest you is how to do this question easily is whenever you are going to remove the ratio, you have to suffix x. So first line what you have to do is 9:8. So you are going to remove the ratio, right? So just suffix x there. So 9:8 can be written as 9x and 8x or 9x comma 8x. And in the same way 14:15 also you have to remove the ratio. How can you remove? When you remove the ratio it will become, shall I write 14x 15x? No, because we don't know the values will be same. So let it be 14y and 15y. Let me go to the next slide. Okay, just you observe here. It is given like this: total wages equal to employees, total wages equal to employees into wages paid each for each employee. Okay, that is, so first line what we have done is employees equal to 9:8. I have written as 9x and 8x, and wages just I have written as 14y times 15y. So what will be the total wages? 9 into 14 is 126xy, and this 15 into 8 is 120xy. So both the numbers they are divisible by 6. Once you divide by 6, what will be my answer? 126 divided by 6 is 21. 120 divided by 6 is 20. So answer is 21:20 because the ratio should be expressed in the lowest form. Are you clear? Shall we go to the next question? Okay. Next one: two equal vessels are filled with the mixtures of water and milk in the ratio 3:4 and 5:3 respectively. If the mixtures are poured into the third vessel, the ratio of the water and milk in the third vessel will be. So once you observe this type of question, what the concept or how to solve this type of question is, so they are just giving two things, right? One is water and milk. In the first case it is 3:4, in the second case it is 5:3. So what is the concept here? The concept is water will be added with water, milk gets added with milk. So this type of question sometimes they may give with gold and copper, or sometimes they may give some other things. Okay, just what you have to do is whenever that sulfuric acid or water, some type of different questions are given, what you have to do is gold will combine with gold, copper will combine with copper. So in the here also water, here water gets added with water, milk gets added with milk. So when you observe this first case here, what is the ratio here? 3:4. Here 3 represents 3x represents water, 4x represents milk. Here 5 represents water parts and 3 represent milk. How to do this? First of all you have to take the total parts. So what is the total parts? The total parts is 7 in the first case, 3 plus 4 7, the 5 plus 3 8 in the second case. So how much water is there in the first case, first vessel? 3/7. How much milk is there in the first vessel? 4/7. How much water is there in the second vessel? 5/8. How much milk is there in the second vessel? 3/8. So let me solve. Just water is added with water, milk is added with milk. So once you solve this, you will get 59/53. Okay, very simple one, right? What is the simple concept? The same categories gets added to each other. Okay, let's move on to the next question, the last question for this session. Okay, a man divides his property so that his son's shares to his wife's share and wife's share to his daughter's are in the ratio 3:1. If the daughter gets rupees 10,000 less than son, the value of the property was. So once you observe this question, they are talking about some ratio, right? First of all, you have to find the ratio of the son and his wife. That is means that man's wife, right? And wife shares to his daughters. So both are in the ratio 3:1 and 3:1. So once you make the combined ratio, what will happen is 3:1 and 3:1. When you see A is to B is 3 is to 1 and B is to C also 3 is to 1. What is the answer? Son and wife 3 is to 1, wife and daughter is 3 is to 1. So once you combine, the answer is 9 is to 3 is to 1. So what is the difference here? 9 minus 1. They are asking, let me go to the previous one. Okay, what they are asking? If the daughter gets rupees 10,000 less than the son. Okay, let's go to the answer again. So now the first daughter is the last one and son is the first one. The 9 and 1. So the difference they are given is 10,000. So 9x minus 1x is 10,000. So what will be the value of 1x? So just 10,000 by 8. This 10,000 by 8 you have to multiply with the total parts. So what are the total parts? 9 plus 3 plus 1, that is 13. So 13 into 10,000 by 8 or 13 by 8 into 10,000. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly do remember to subscribe this.